Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A14 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can add extra floating shutter button in your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. First of all, open camera in your phone and go to the settings of camera here, and then go to shooting methods, and here turn on the button against floating shutter button. So you will have extra shutter button. You can place that extra shutter button wherever you want. See here, open camera, and you will have extra shutter button here. This is the extra shutter button. This is default shutter button. This is extra shutter button. Okay, you can move extra shutter button, and you can place extra shutter button anywhere on the screen. Okay, so according to your convenient, you can easily take a picture. For example, if you want to take a picture in the landscape mode, if you feel uncomfortable to touch the default one, then you can easily touch here and take a picture. Okay, so it will be very easy to take a picture with the help of extra shutter button. I take another one. See here, and open the picture that you took. See here. So for easy clicking of shutter, you can use extra shutter button feature available in your phone. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.